Hi there, students. Stolid, an adjective. Stolidly, the adverb. And then for a noun, stolidness or stolidity, both are valid. This talks about the quality of being stolid, of being unemotional. So, stolid, not showing emotion, phlegmatic, maybe like the Brits, or dull and stupid, heavily stupid, not at all subtle. Yeah. So stolid, not emotional, apathetic, unemotional, not showing any interest or not getting excited. So the face of the policeman was stolid while I explained the situation. He then arrested me. Okay, there was a stolid look on his face. He's so stolidly legal about things. It's just so boring. It's dull. It's heavy. So stolid has the idea of something that's rather boring. It's unimaginative. Yeah, he's a very stolid, serious person. You can use stolid to talk about a building or a thing, saying that it's not interesting, it's not attractive. So the food in the cafeteria is very stolid. It's boring, it's not exciting, it's not interesting, it's very unimaginative. But if you're hungry, it will feed you. Stolid. I think maybe stolid housing blocks is a feature of Russian architecture. I don't know. Maybe you can criticize me for that. The stolid tower block had no imagination. It was just like a block of stone and nothing else. Okay, so stolid, without imagination, not revealing emotions, not with no sensibility. The stolid bureaucracy of this country is drowning us. Yeah, it's drowning our business. The stolidity of the bureaucracy is frustrating. Okay, so stolid, not easily aroused, impassive. Yeah, he remained stolid. He remained impassive. Yeah, he had no. He reacted very stolidly to our plight, to our situation. Yeah, a silent, stolid creature who took everything as a matter of course. Her face showed nothing but stolid indifference. So wooden, apathetic, obtuse, dozy, yeah, detached, impassive. Now, to me, the question is, can you use stolid in a positive way? Well, if you actually go to Google and look at the Google definition, it says calm, dependable, and showing little emotion. And then it gives the example, a stolid bourgeois gent. So I think this is probably slightly positive in a way. He doesn't react to things. Maybe it's a good idea to remain stolid in times of crisis. And I think, yes, but to me, nearly always this word stolid, it's negative. Yeah, it's saying unimaginative, it's boring, it's dull, it doesn't do anything for you, it doesn't raise any emotions in you. Okay, so stolid. You describe someone as stolid, they don't show much emotion. Yeah, they're not emotional. Yeah, so maybe a stolid British businessman. But to me, this also carries the idea of boring as well, unchanging, not easily stirred. Notice something that's stolid, you could also have the idea that it doesn't move you mentally. So the stolid dialogue of the film made me go to sleep. So it doesn't make your mind think, it doesn't stimulate thought, because it's just so unimaginative. The stolid world of banking and finance, yeah, the stolid office of an accountant, yeah, we need to do something to brighten it up. It's just like a space with nothing in it. Okay, so stolid, without emotion, without interest, dull, stupid, not interesting. So formality, I think I'm going to give it a 6.5. Six and a half in formality. It certainly sounds a rather literary word. It's quite an interesting word. I think you could just about use it in an informal conversation. Yeah. Although I don't think it would be very common. I think more commonly unemotional, phlegmatic. No, that's more formal. Stiff upper lip. Yeah. To have a stiff upper lip is certainly stolidity or stolidness. Unimaginative, boring, dull. So yeah, use it in a descriptive essay. This would be a great word to use to describe a person. His stolid attitude really got my goat. It really got to me. And then as to origin, well, it comes from French, stolide, which itself comes from Latin, stolidus, meaning stupid, obtuse, slow, yeah? Not quick on the uptake. Stolid. I quite like that, not quick on the uptake, to describe it. So I hope my explanation has not been too stolid. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Stolid, stolidly, stolidity, stolidness.